Folded hands, light skin tone. Hi, guys, nice to see you. It is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to steam minced meat soup recipe. Hope you like it. Folded hands, light skin tone. The meat soup is delicious and not greasy. Remember to save the recipe. Steam minced meat soup. Ingredients: minced meat, shrimp paste, eggs, mixed beans, spring onion. Steam mixed beans for approximately 5 minutes to soften green peas. Once done, remove from steamer and set aside. Diced spring onion. Squeeze shrimp paste from packaging. Add spring onions. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Add 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Add mixed beans. Mix all ingredients together. Spread meat paste into bowl. Add half bowl water and mix well. Place egg on meat paste. Send to steamer, steam for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Soup is done. Let's eat together. The meat soup is delicious and easy to make. Give it a try too. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Smiling face. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel, do check them all.